We are FACTCO and we are installing a full fibre connection for your community. We are able to install your community fibre at no cost to you through the Gigabit Voucher Scheme from the Department of Digital, Culture, Media and Sport. But this means that we need a little bit of help from you. You will receive 2 emails from the Department of Digital, Culture, Media and Sport. The first is to sign up to your community fibre connection. The second one arrives after the installation and signs off the project. Gigabit vouchers work when a community signs together. This could be a tower block of residence, a business park, a multi-use building, an office block, a housing estate, a street, a village, or a whole neighbourhood.